What is it about brain plasticity that always interested you so much? And I guess I threw in a technical term right off the bat in that first question. I mean, plasticity. So how do you think of it? What is it?
Yeah, I mean, plasticity is the ability of our brain to constantly modify itself. There's different stimuli, both experience and damage, that can lead to plasticity. But what plasticity itself is this dynamic process of the brain adapting at every level, structure of the brain, chemistry, physiology, and other functional aspects. And so it's constantly changing. And that is a core principle of modern day neuroscience. It wasn't always appreciated. And when it was appreciated, it was always thought to be something that occurred up until critical stages of development and then essentially stopped, which sort of made no sense because we know we're capable of learning throughout our lives. And so it is the basis of all learning. It is the basis of any recovery and repair. And so I was attracted to it from that perspective, that it is just so core to our function, to being human, is that we evolve in our own personal ways, not in the big evolution way, but we have our own development that exists and continues throughout our lives. And so this is the opportunity to change and to grow and to be resilient. And then just from a sort of intellectual scientific point of view, it's just infinitely interesting to me that it is not a static process. It's our brain, our mind, that it is a dynamic, constantly interactive feature of this system that is just so fascinating. And not only that it is not taking place in isolation. It's not something that your brain does as an island. It is an interaction with the environment. And that is sort of where I think the mind lives, really, at that interface. And so plasticity is just core to all of that.